Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Apple USB-C to digital audio video multi-port adapter. So we can plug this into an iPad or even your phone. And here we have a USB-C port, an HDMI port, and a USB-A port. Here's kind of a list. It shows you how it can be used. Again, USB-C, HDMI, and USB. So that way I could still charge my iPad. So if I plug this into my iPad, I can charge my iPad, but I can also run a display off of it, and I can put like a thumb drive on it. So it's 2 inches by 2 1/4, and it's not really thick at all. Thickness wise, maybe 3/8 of an inch thick. The cord on it is 3 inches. It's super flexible, but kind of a little rigid, but it's very well made. Those don't look like they're gonna come out. USB-C. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.